Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Olight ArkPro Flashlight. I will go over specs, features, and show it in use. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user manual and the magnetic charger. Going over some specs, this comes in 6 color options. It has 4 lights, 7 configurations: flood, spotlight, UV, and a laser. Pure floodlight has 5 brightness levels and a strobe, up to 1500 lumens. The spotlight mode has 5 brightness levels and strobe, 10,640 candela, and has a max throw of 205 meters. It has a UV light with low mode and a high mode, and a green laser with low and high mode. Aluminum body, lockout safety feature, USB-C and MCC charging, and it's rated at IPX7. Taking a look at the ArkPro, it's very light and it feels solid with its aluminum body. You can see the Olight branding on the top. You have the selector and the button to switch modes on the top. The LEDs on the left and the right side for the battery and the light level indicator. The icons are engraved for the UV, spot, and flood. To the right, you have the green laser, and on the left, you have the USB-C charge port. On the tail end, you have the MCC charge port as well. The back of the light, it comes with a belt clip. And the front, you can see the LEDs for the spot, UV, and flood. As mentioned, this has 2 charging options. You can use the USB-C port, or you can use the magnetic charger that it comes with. Taking a quick measurement, it comes in at just under 5 inches long, and it weighs in at 119 grams. The user manual goes through the different modes as far as the specs and operations. It's a matter of holding down the button or tapping to activate to cycle through the settings. Just a brief overview before we test it outside. You have the selector switch to toggle from UV, spot, and flood. The middle button to activate the light, and holding down to cycle through the modes, and tapping. Right LED is the battery level, and the left is the strength of the light. You have the UV light, laser, and you can have the laser on with the different light modes. Okay, testing it outside, I have the green laser on. There's 2 settings, a low and a high. Next is the UV light. You can see how it looks. It also has 2 settings, a low and a high. Now the flood mode. It has moonlight, low, medium, high, and turbo modes. Onto the spot mode. Again, this one has also moonlight, low, medium, high, and a turbo mode. With each of the modes, you can have the light on along with the laser. This is the spot with laser, and you can have it on with flood and also the UV. So this is a look at the Olight ArkPro Flashlight. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.